In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check weight limit in Arc Raiders. Knowing your carry capacity is a small habit that makes a big difference, especially when you're looting fast, swapping gear on the fly, or preparing for a tough encounter. Let's walk through exactly where to find that information and how to use it to stay efficient. Start by opening your inventory. Once you're in, look for the loadout section. Right beneath the word loadout, you'll see your weight limit displayed as two numbers side by side. The first number is your current weight, which is the total of everything you're carrying right now. The second number is your maximum capacity, which is the upper limit you shouldn't exceed. For example, if you see something like 28 over 50, that means you're currently carrying a weight of 28 out of a possible 50. As you pick up items, that first number increases. If you're getting close to the second number, it's a good cue to manage your load before you grab more loot. Keeping an eye on those numbers helps you avoid running into capacity issues at the worst possible moment, like mid-mission or when you find something you actually want to keep. If you need to reduce weight, drop items directly from your inventory. The moment you drop something, watch the first number update in real time, showing the new, lower weight you're carrying. This is the simplest and most immediate way to make space. Think about what you really need for your next objective, and remove anything that's redundant or clearly less useful. Prioritize the essentials and keep a little buffer under your max so you can pick up unexpected finds without having to stop and reorganize constantly. A quick tip as you manage your load: check your inventory before you embark on longer runs or right after a big loot session. Building this habit keeps you from juggling items under pressure. Also, remember that interface labels can vary slightly with updates or platform differences, but the weight readout will still be right under loadout, and the meaning of those two numbers stays the same. That's all there is to it. Open your inventory, look under loadout to see your current weight and your capacity, and drop items to reduce your load when necessary. With this simple check, you'll keep your loadout balanced, ready for action, and flexible enough to grab the gear that really matters.